Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is coming from Reno, Nevada. So originally I was going to stay in Tahoe, but then I found I could save $600 on the room by staying in Carson City. So I go to Carson City and they're having problems with the electrical right now due to the snowstorm they had, which, you know, I understand that part. You know, things happen. Sacramento's getting slammed by rain right now, and supposedly they're out of power in my neighborhood right now too. But a couple days into it, they said they had to close the hotel down because they're having issues with the electrical, and some of the buildings don't even have hot water. So I'm like, okay, well, I guess that's fine, but, you know, I don't want to pay anymore. So she's like, okay, well, do you have a preference on where you go? I'm like, well, Tahoe or Reno, it doesn't really matter to me. I just don't want to pay more. So here I am in Reno. But today we are going to dress up the truck with some nice wood dash. Got some more pieces right here on the seat. And it's really easy to do. We are literally going to go from making the truck look like this to making it look like this. So the first thing you'll want to do is clean the area, and you do that with some alcohol wipes. So just take an alcohol wipe and wipe down all the areas where you are going to put your wood dash. And they give you plenty of these, so don't be afraid to get new ones as needed. Then you just grab a piece, remove this plastic film on the back, and place it on like that. Looks better already. And here we go, the finished product. On my doors, the window switch kind of bends down a little bit, so I'll have to work with that a little. Here's the dash, and if your truck is two-wheel drive, here's a little plug that goes where the four-wheel drive knob would have been. And if your truck has the push button start, there's a little piece with an opening for that too, which my truck doesn't have, so I have no need for this. Passenger door window switch kind of have the same problem with it folding over at the end. And then these would have gone in the back, but they won't stick along with this. But what I might do is go to the store, get a bottle of rubbing alcohol, try and clean it up a little more, see if that helps it any. I did have to trim this piece down right here because they made it too long. I mean, it literally would have stuck out all the way to here, which that would have been completely useless. So all in all, my rating, 3 stars. I mean, the truck does look better, but this dash kit did come with a couple of flaws. I mean, the pieces that don't fit and the fact I had to wait a month for it to come in. This dash kit was $181. I got it off carid.com. It was really the only place I could find a dash kit for that truck. So if you want a kit for your truck and you're okay with knowing you're going to have to trim some down, go ahead and do it. But honestly, if I had any other alternatives, I would probably go elsewhere. Amazon did have something like this, but this just kind of looks like someone printed some wood design on a piece of paper and wrapped it around some plastic. But then I only got that because I got tired of waiting for this. 3 weeks later, it was still pending on carid.com. I honestly didn't think it was going to still come in. But wood dash can still do wonders for pretty much any vehicle, at least in my opinion. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week. And as for those pieces that didn't fit, I just got another bottle of rubbing alcohol and cleaned it up a little bit more. Now they stick perfectly fine. The door handle, the only part that didn't fit was that piece that would have went here. But honestly, I love wood dash. As for the window switches not wanting to stick, I found after the heater's been running for a little while, it's easier to bend these into place. So it's been about a day now. I'll be fair, give it a new rating, 4 stars for the dash kit. The truck does look better, but I still had to wait a month for it to come in. Also the one piece that wouldn't fit, period. Otherwise, it does look better. Now maybe just get some leather seat covers. Amazon has some that are specifically fit to the Toyota Tacoma. But I will see you guys next week though.